Today I have a notebook for myself, and when I make a notebook that's just for me, it's a little bit different because it doesn't have the little sticker that says some images are copyright Stampin' Up. I am supposed to put that in every book, but I figured because it's not leaving the house and I'm not making money from it, I just didn't bother. Like, it's a waste of paper to just print out a little tiny label. I really like the covers for this. It was from an envelope that I got for my birthday years ago, and I'd been saving it. It was teal on the outside and red on the inside, and I thought that would be really awesome. And then when I went to take apart the envelope, it just turned out the red piece was just sitting in there. So I had enough to make 2 covers, and then I used a teal piece for my book and someone else's book. I don't know if people actually pay much attention to these videos because I find they're repetitive, and I don't blame people for not watching them. But a lot of people picked blue and green over the last few months, and that was really hard because I also like blue and green, and you want to be able to save cool things for yourself. And because I was running out of paper and I had to buy more, which I don't really like doing, I found some at a thrift store that one was origami paper, and I think the point of that was to make multicolored chickens and other weird things. And then I found another book called a cut and crease book, which I really liked, even though the paper was very thin. It was like newsprint, but it was so colorful. I used pretty much every inch of that. There was a page of how to make a lobster, so I have the lobster's eyes, and then someone else has the other part of the lobster, which they probably wouldn't know that that's what that is. I'm getting to the point where I've done so many of these books that I don't really want to do them. Like, I'll still do it, but like sparingly.